Hello guys, today we are going to see about HTML headings. So you can use any text editor as you wish. You can use Notepad also or text edit. I'm going to use Sublime Text here for simplification. So before starting the session, just get the structure of the HTML and specify any title here. I'm going to give HTML headings. It won't appear in your HTML document. So the only visual part in your HTML document is the body section only. So the headings, the HTML headings ranges from H1 to H6. I'm going to use H1 tag here to specify the text. In between those tags we are going to specify the text here. So you can specify any text. I'm going to just give this is H1 tag. So it is the larger heading. If you want to give larger heading your document, you can use the H1 tag. Then H2 is the next larger heading in your HTML document. So just give any text here. This is H2 tag. And then H3. You can see the significant change once we complete this. So just give any text here. For instance, I'm doing this is H3 tag. Next H4. The size will vary from H1 to H6. So if you want to give the bigger heading, you can use the first tag. So just give any text. This is H4 tag. And then H5, the same text I'm going to use. This is H5 tag. The last one is H6. This is H6 tag. Let's save. So you can see the text size here. So if you want to give the smallest heading to your document, you can use the H6 tag. The same like H5, H4, H3. You can see the size of the each and every heading here. So why headings are important in HTML means, usually the search engines, we use the heading to index the structure and content of your web pages. The browsers automatically add some white space or margin before and after heading. Yeah, you can see before and after, you can see the white spaces here. It is automatically added by the browsers, so don't worry about that. And why we are going to use the headings means, to show the document structure, we are going to use those headings in your HTML document. Hope it will help to get the knowledge about the HTML headings. Thank you.